Let's just rip the Band-Aid right off today, because some of us are exhausted, not because life is hard, but because we've been trying to keep two versions of ourselves alive at the exact same time. You have the real you, and then you have the one you perform for the world. Welcome to the dungeon, where the masks come off and the truth comes out. You ever look in the mirror and feel like you're meeting a stranger? Like the you on the outside is not the you on the inside? The version everyone claps for is not the version that cries at night. And if we're being honest, pretending gets heavy and it gets old. You can only fake strong for so long before your soul files a complaint. Why are we so quick to wear the masks? Nobody wakes up and says, let me go lie about who I am today. Nah, the mask shows up out of survival. It comes from feeling like the real you won't be accepted, growing up being the responsible one. It shows up because we're being praised for perfection but punished for honesty, comparing yourself to people who are faking too, wanting love so badly you adjust your personality, trauma that made you hide your true self. It comes from church culture that taught you performance over authenticity. You didn't become fake, you became protective. There is a difference, but there is a cost to pretending. I mean, the mask looks good, but it's expensive, because while you're pretending to be okay, your real self is suffocating behind the costume. Then the bill for pretending shows up in real life. You feel empty even when life looks full. You get praise but don't feel worthy of it. Your relationships feel shallow. Your confidence becomes performance-based. You fear being truly seen. You avoid vulnerability because it threatens the mask. But let's be real. Some of y'all are tired, but not sleepy tired. Soul tired, because pretending drains you in ways sleep can't fix. There's an internal battle going on with you right now. Inside of you are two voices fighting. Voice number one, that's the real you. What does that person look like? That person is confident, creative, loving, purposeful, growing, hungry for healing, and ready for more. Then you have voice two, the performer. That person is scared, defensive, image conscious, exhausted, validation hungry, always acting. And the tension between these two, that's the battle you feel every day. Drop end in the comments if you're ready to stop the war. Let's do this dungeon style. Ending the war isn't about being perfect. Let me just say that first. It's about being honest. Step one, admit there's a difference. You can't fix what you keep pretending is fine. Step two, let someone see the real you. Not everybody, just one safe person. Healing starts with honesty in small doses. Step three, find where the mask came from. Who taught you you had to perform? Who made you feel like you weren't enough? Step four, start showing up imperfect. Say, I don't know. Say, I need help. Say, I'm struggling. Every time you do, the mask loses power. It's okay to be human. Step five, give God access to the real you. He heals the parts you hide. He restores the parts you're scared to show. You are not the character you created to survive. You are not the version of you that performed for approval. You are not the edited highlight reel you post online. You are the one God formed, the one who fought to be here, the one who's still growing, the one who's worthy without trying. And the world doesn't need your mask. The world needs you. Okay. Here's the truth. The version you pretend to be is admired, but the version you really are is anointed. The mask protected you, but now it's limiting you. Let today be the day you breathe again. Let today be the day you step forward as your full, unfiltered, unedited self. You don't need to pretend to be chosen. You don't need a mask to be enough. You're safe here. You're seen here. You're becoming here. Welcome to the unveiling. Welcome to the dungeon. If you got value from this, like the video, join the community, and share it to someone who needs help. I'll see you in the next one.